Namaskar, friends, from the land of Himalayas to the sea. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, in today's video, we will learn about basic Hindi sentences that every beginner can use. Friends, hello is known as namaste or namaskar. Yes is known as haan. No is known as nahi. Please is known as कृपया. Thank you is known as धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद, धन्यवाद. Sorry is known as माफ कर दीजिए. माफ कर दीजिए. Or you could say क्षमा कर दीजिए. क्षमा कर दीजिए. Excuse me is known as क्षमा कीजिए. Kshama kijiye. How are you? Now, when you are asking this question to someone who's elder to you, you would say, "Aap kaise hain?" And when you are asking the same question, "How are you?" to somebody who's your age, you would say, "Tum kaise ho?" And if the answer is, "I'm fine," we can say, "Main theek hoon." Now, if you have to ask, "What is your name?" and you are asking it to someone who's elder to you, you would say, "Aapka naam kya hai?" And if you're asking this question to someone who's younger to you or is your friend, you could say, "Tumhara naam kya hai?" And the answer would be, "My name is," say, "Pratibha." Mera naam Pratibha hai. Or, "My name is Ajay." Mera naam Ajay hai. Then comes the next question. Where are you from? Now, if you're asking this question to an elder, you would say, "Aap kahan se hain?" And if you're asking this question to someone who's younger to you or your friend, you would say, "Tum kahan se ho?" Tum kahan se ho? Now, if you have to tell somebody where you are from, then you would say, "I am from," and tell the name of the country or the city. So you could say, मैं भारत से हूँ और मैं अमेरिका से हूँ, मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ, and so forth. If you have to tell the name of a city, then you could say, मैं बेंगलुरु से हूँ, मैं मुंबई से हूँ, मैं न्यूयॉर्क से हूँ, मैं लंदन से हूँ, and so on. Now, if you have to say nice meeting you to somebody, you would say, आपसे मिलकर प्रसन्नता हुई. आपसे मिलकर means to meet. प्रसन्नता, it's a word for happiness. प्रसन्नता, or you could say खुशी हुई. आपसे मिलकर प्रसन्नता हुई. Or you could use a smaller word, आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. And if you are saying the same thing to somebody who's your age, you could say तुमसे मिलकर प्रसन्नता हुई और तुमसे मिलकर खुशी हुई. Now, if you're in the market and you want to ask the price of something, you would normally say, "How much is this for?" In Hindi, you would say, "यह कितने का है?" यह कितने का है? If you have to ask, "Where are the toilets?" you could say, "शौचालय कहाँ है?" शौचालय कहाँ है? If you want to know where are the bathrooms, you could say, स्नान घर कहाँ है? स्नान घर कहाँ है? Now, if you want to say, "I don't understand," then the Hindi equivalent will be, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. मुझे समझ में नहीं आया. Alright? And if you want to say, "I don't know," you would simply say, मुझे नहीं पता. मुझे नहीं पता. And if you want to ask somebody to help you, then you could say, क्या आप मेरी सहायता कर सकते हैं? Or you could say, क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? So friends, I hope these basic and common sentences will help you in your journey to learn Hindi. Practice them regularly and soon you'll find yourself more comfortable and confident in communicating in Hindi. If you like this video, please consider subscribing for more Hindi learning tips and tutorials. If you have any questions on topics you'd like me to cover, please do leave a comment below and I'll make sure I address it in one of the videos. Thanks for watching and until next time, happy learning and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.